Hi guys, today another drifting video in the 350. We're at Buxton Race, but I'll get some clips in a bit of like the pit area and the track as well, so you can see like the track if you're not familiar with this racetrack before. I'll also get some head cam videos and stuff as we're going around, some interior stuff. I'll probably keep this angle for the first run, maybe a couple of runs, but yeah, see how it goes really. I've got a new tyre setup and stuff. I'll show the car off in a bit. I just sort of thought I'd get the intro bit done and then I can go into more detail of all the pits and all the other stuff that goes on really, but yeah. Let's get some driving and see how we get on. First one out, let's see how we go. Don't know how hearable I am, but shit.
Yep. Did you all okay?
So first run out, as you can see, we did go into the wall a little bit, and the damage that we've got is we've bent, I think it's the toe arm, we're going with the toe arm, but you can see it's there, that's bent. We're going to maybe take it off, try and bend it back. It's not ideal, but it could be worse. That's currently straight, but it isn't straight. But yeah, we'll see what we can do. So current progress with the car. Alex is jacking up basically the toe rod, whatever you want to call it. Can't really film, it's a bit awkward, but it's in there. And it has straightened out loads, the wheels obviously massively off. We've lost all the camber though, so we're going to try and address that issue in a second, but the wheel's definitely in more, which is what we wanted. A little pit set up with a gazebo. But yeah, should be sorted and should be back out on the track, hopefully pretty soon. But yeah. So So, current update with the car. So, we have got some spanners now that we have borrowed off some lovely people. We're adjusting the bit that I mentioned earlier. I don't know if I can really see it in the camera, but we're adjusting that bit to basically bring the toe in more. Obviously, we've done the camber as well now, and by bending the rod back, it's helped a little bit. We've got it really straight now compared to how it was when it was quite like all over the shop really, but thanks to Craig and Alex for sorting that out. Hopefully we should be out soon, I'd like to think.
you're initiating about where the traffic light is.
Yeah.
Try getting to the gate.
Okay.
Because that's where you ended up going. Instead of running like a wide line, you're coming in quite
Really
close
tight,
to the curb because
yeah. Okay.
you're initiating that bit too early. But other than that, say you're getting the transition through and out.
Yeah.
That's the hardest bit, is down that back straight, coming in, getting that transition
when I get around that bit, I always brake a little bit just to sort of get a bit of, get rid of the speed a little bit and then sort of carry on. That seems to help control it.
Yeah, you can either like left foot brake a bit if you wanted to slow the speed down but keep the angle on, or you can just hang on the hydro a little, or even just dab it a little bit. Just scrubs a bit of speed, or just use big angle. Yeah. Because obviously you've got big lock to use. So. But yeah, say only bit is here. To me, it's initiating way too early. You've got this.
I just hug the curb, but then you kind of a bit like, oh, I'm a bit close, sort of thing.
You'd be better off hitting the wall than the curb.
Okay.
You hit the curb. I mean, I've seen cars hit the curb, climb up and roll. Whereas the wall, fair enough, it might smash rear light or rear quarter, but that's fixable. Yeah. And you'll feel more comfortable going wider because you can keep it flowing all the way around dead wide, all the way around the track. Going in shallow, it's harder to keep it going, but you've got the grunt to be able to do it. When you get near the wall, so you have to be careful. So that was cracking, well done.
Thank you. It feels so much cooler when you're near the wall rather than the curb.
It's safer, to be fair.
Yeah.
So you can do it there now.
Yeah.
Just go deeper at the bottom end and you're good to go, mate.
Sweet.
See if I...
Oh, there's people on the end talking about my car. Don't look at
Hi guys, so that concludes today's video. It's been quite eventful. I mean, we had a bit of the dodgy driving by myself at the start, which obviously resulted into a lot of downtime, but luckily with Craig's help, main master mechanic, sorting out the car, and also the bloke that welded it. Don't know his name unfortunately, but if you watch the video or if you know him, then big thumbs up to him, because basically he saved the day in terms of getting me back on and driving really. Also thanks to Alex as well for assisting Craig with the mechanical bits on the car. But yeah, it's been a good day. I think I've learned a little bit, which is always good in terms of the mechanic side, in terms of watching and actually driving. I feel like I've advanced a little bit. Didn't get as much driving as I would have hoped, but I mean a decent amount. And then also a little bit of driving at the end with one of my mates, sort of helping me push myself a bit further out on the track to ride a nicer line, which hopefully you would have seen in the last clip. But yeah, overall I think it's been a good day. Hopefully the video's been a nice watch for you, a bit informational, just a bit of a laugh really. Yeah, until next time guys, more drifting videos, more 350 repair videos and all that great stuff next time.